Good evening, one and all. Myself, Amisha Naik. I am going to be your English grammar teacher. Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel, Amisha Naik. So, now let us recapitulate what we have learned in before's lecture. In before's lecture, we have learned about the adverbs, the topic adverbs. In adverbs, we have seen what is adverb, kinds of adverbs, and examples. So, today we are going to see a new topic named as verb. Let us see now the definition of verb. A verb is a word that expresses the action, makes the statement, links the relationships. So what is verb? Verb expresses the action, makes the statement or sentence, links the relationship between the sentence. Now let us see the types of verb. There are total 6 types of verb. Let us see one by one with the example. First is transitive verb. Second is intransitive verb. Third is irregular verb. Fourth is regular verb. Fifth is phrasal verb. And sixth is last auxiliary or helping verbs. Let us see one by one with the example. First, let us see what is transitive verb. What is transitive verb? A verb that needs an object to complete itself is called as transitive verb. Transitive verb means the verb which needs the object to complete this sentence is called as transitive verb. It is called transitive verb because it passes its action from the subject to object. It passes its action from subject to object. Let us see one example. The example is the boy kicks the football. So, kicks, this is the verb, it is the action. Now let us see the second type of verb. It is intransitive verb. What is it? Intransitive verb. Let us see the definition of intransitive verb. A verb that doesn't need any object to complete itself is called intransitive verb. The verb which don't needs any object to complete the sentence is called as intransitive verb. It does not pass its action from subject to object. In intransitive verb, it doesn't pass any action from the subject to object. For example, the girl sleep. So the sleep, this is the action. And second is he died in an accident. So dead, this is the action. So it is the verb. Third type of the verb, it is irregular verb. What is it? Irregular verb. Let us see what is irregular verb. If the formation of the verb is otherwise than the regular verb, it is called as irregular verb. The formation of what? Formation of verb is otherwise than the regular verb is other than regular verb, then it is called as irregular verb. Let us see that chart below. Present word is shut. Past word for the shut is shut, and past participle is shut only. Present word is drink. Past word for the drink is drank, and past participle is drunk. Present word is break. Past word is broke, and past participle for the word break is broken. So these are the irregular verb. Now let us see the four types of the verb is regular verb. The verb that passes and past participle third form is made by adding d or ed is called as regular verb. Regular verbs are the verbs whose past second form and past participle third form is made by adding d or ed is known as regular verb. So now let us see a chart given below. Some regular verb list is given below. First is walk, walked and walked. Second word is talk, talked and talked. Adding ed to the word means the word is regular. Clean, cleaned, cleaned. Let us see the fifth type of verb. It is phrasal verb. What is phrasal verb? Let us see what is phrasal verb with example. A phrasal verb is a multi-word verb made up of a main verb and at least one preposition or a participle that changes the meaning of verb from the original verb. What is phrasal verb? Phrasal verb means the verb whose made up of the main verb and at least one preposition is known as the phrasal verb. Phrasal verb is made up of at least one preposition. Okay. Let us see last type of verb. It is auxiliary or helping verbs. What is helping verbs or auxiliary verbs? Do you know? So let us see what is auxiliary or helping verb. Used to change the tenses of the verb and are part of the verb phrase. The verb is the sentence include not just the action but also the auxiliary verb. What is auxiliary verb? Auxiliary verb, why is auxiliary verb used? It is used to change the tense of the verb and are part of the verb phrase. So auxiliary verb is the important in the verb. The verb in the sentence not only includes the action but also includes the auxiliary verb. In verbs, the verbs not only includes the action but also includes the auxiliary verb. Have you understood till now? Okay. So let us recapitulation. Let us see once again what we have learned today. So today we have learned what is verb, types of verb. First is transitive verb, second is intransitive verb, third is irregular verb, fourth is regular verb, fifth is phrasal verb, and sixth is auxiliary or helping verb. So have you understood? Okay, thank you. If you are new to my channel, then do like, share, comment and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification first.